everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, it's time for part 2 of the using the Bobcat here to get some work done on the property, the T590 Trackloader. In the last video you saw me using it with the rotavator attachment on it, doing a lot of rotor tilling and then starting to move a bunch of the dirt. So we're going to finish it with dirt moving and see what we got done with it. All right, let's hop on the tractor and let's get going. Alright, so I'm all done with the tractor. It's been picked up and got everything done, and actually it's been several days since I was done with it because it rained for several days. Immediately there afterwards I couldn't even get outside with the camera without getting soaked. So I got here where I was moving a bunch of dirt to. Got it all raised up out here, just about level with the roadway here. Got a little bit more I need to add, move from there over by where that red and white T-post is out there. Make sure it's level. And this is where I'm going to pour a pad for the 2 cargo containers. I'm going to move them from there up over here so they'll act as a windbreak for the rest of the area out there. It's one of the things I learned this year is with the wind patterns and stuff, the way it's blowing and what I need to do to protect the garden area from the wind. And so yeah, I got a lot of dirt out there. Let's go out there and take a look and see what I did out there as far as removing dirt. Okay, out here by where I finished up the irrigation ditch with the excavator, I had a lot of dirt piled out all almost out to the high grass area there. Actually, some of it was out past that. It was all up high. So this is what I was digging out with the Bobcat track loader. Dug all this out, leveled it off, cut in here, got up on top of there, knocked that down a little bit more. I'm gonna have to get out here with my backhoe attachment and just kind of grade it with the backhoe and pull down at an angle here. I'll be tapering this down to a gentle slope along here with the other backhoe, but as you can see over here where I was able to get at it with the track loader, already got it taken care of here. I just got to pull it away from the fence there, clean it up. Got a lot of the dirt. I mean, this was up high as it was over there, straight out over here, and then tapered off here. So this was a lot of dirt that I moved. Now, I don't have any footage. Didn't have any footage from Wednesday, my third day with the track loader, because it was sprinkling most of the day, and I didn't want to ruin the camera. As you see, I've brought this down almost level with the on the other side of the fence there. So when I get it all dug away from the fence there, if I need to, I will tap the fence down and we'll just level it off there. So out over here, dug all this out here, all the big piles I had out here with it, and took most of this away already. So I'll be moving this. I'll be able to move with the Coyote over to where I'm moving it over there, where I'm going to be moving the cargo containers to. I'll be able to fill in over there a little bit more using some of this as well. All in all, probably got done in the 3 days. Well, the first day was just running the rotavator all over the place, and that, for the amount of rotavating I did in that one day with a walk behind, would have taken me 2 months to do all the area everywhere that I did with that rotavator in one day. Moving all the dirt I did and getting this all taken out in 2 days with the Coyote probably would have taken me about 2 months, maybe 3 months to get it out, because the Coyote doesn't have the power to dig straight into the dirt of these banks and stuff without spinning its tires. And the Bobcat 590 is tracked, so it has more surface on the ground, so it doesn't dig holes like the like a wheeled tractor would do. So I got a lot of it done, and then I took the N9 with the homemade drag harrow, 4 railroad ties, bunch of chains underneath of it, fencing, old wire fencing, and just drug around, smoothed everything out really good. And so that's what I got done doing here. So all in all, the Bobcat track loader was absolutely great, other than the fact there's sometimes you can't see where you're backing up to, and did a great job there. Trying to think what else I need to tell you about it, but I guess that's pretty much everything. Showed it all, did it all. Have any questions, leave it in the comments down below and I'll answer you back. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, click the red subscribe button down there and click the little bell icon to get all the notifications when I post another video. And as always, if you don't have a garden, plant one. If you do have one, try to expand it. Stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.